po yung sasakyan naming bus. So, nandito kami sa bus. We're going to floating market now.
Okay, everyone already fill up for your name, passport number, free.
Ang haba pala ng ng travel namin. Almost 2 hours na sabi ng aming tour guide. So, pwede pa tayong matulog, no? So, nabook ko lang ang aming floating market tour sa Klook. So, mag-download na kayo ng app ng Klook at makita nyo doon lahat ng mga activities.
After Coconut Sugar Factory, we go floating market. Floating market, anyone been there before? Have you ever been there before? Because
No.
some tourists been there 3 times, 4 times, right? You also?
No, first time. It's my first time today.
Yeah, sometimes my Filipino love shopping railway there. Oh, we want to do like that. So they have to family. Today we talking about only Bangkok. Only Bangkok. King Rama number 5, the son of King Rama number 4. He is the first king who visit Europe there in that time. England, Germany, Netherlands, France, Austria, until Soviet in that time. Right now we call Russia. In that time, big country.
So, ito yung factory. They make the fire.
5 hours, then they start to dry. The syrup.
They're making syrup, coconut syrup. This is the coconut sugar syrup factory. Yan guys, kung paano nila ginawa. Grabe, sobrang, nakita niyo yung usok? Sobrang
And that
sobrang
one,
bango.
anyone like to try to drink the syrup from the flower? Coconut flower, this one.
Meron din silang mga souvenirs dito. Ayan. This is coconut farm. Ang dami ang dami nilang no? Ang dami nilang pwedeng mabili dito. Authentic, no? This one, from the coconut. Guys, this is from coconut tree. Chopstick. Naaman sa tuwa, Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Kutsara. Guys, tignan nyo. This is all from coconut. Made by coconut tree. Guys, meron pala ditong mga coconut oil, mga organic and talagang authentic nila dito. And ito naman ay coconut sugar. This one also. Ito yung binili ko. Ayan. 150 Thai baht. Ayan sa do. So hi guys, we are here at Pier 1 na. Sasakay kami ng boat papuntang floating market. So ang dami namin. Sorry. Meron kaming libreng coconut dito sa Pier 1. Floating market. So this is the ice cream. Kapon ka. So meron kaming ice cream. Coconut ice cream. Ito yung mga order namin. Mango sticky rice. Pero ang daming mangga.
เสาร์ที่เบ็ดจำไม่ได้เลยเก็บประสบการณ์เสาร์ที่เบ็ดโคโคนัทไอเค็ก
Nandito na kami sa Floating Old Market. Dumating na kami sa Pier 2. Guys, this is the authentic coffee. Thai coffee. Ayan. It's 40 baht. Everything 40 baht, right? Hi guys, tinikman namin itong kanilang coconut pancake. Super sarap and yummy. So ito yung nabili namin, the authentic Thai tea and I like the coffee. So tikman din natin ang kanilang noodles. Ayan. Si auntie ang nagluto. This is authentic Thai noodles, soup noodles.
Daming pen mami.
So hi guys, tikman na natin ang ating pancake. Coconut pancake. Cheers!
Pag-order ka mo ni Kuya.
Lamig kayo te. Super sarap. My sister, my sexy sister is there. So ito naman ang ating authentic Thai tea.
Order ka like.
Sarap. Ito yung mga pinamili namin. Ang mga girls. Hi! Nag-order din sila ng ice cream. Patingin, Jay. Meron siya ice cream. Coconut ice cream.
Balong. Chopstick.
Dami naming in order. Binili. Dito kami sa
Can we
Old Floating Market. We're waiting for the bus for the next destination, which is railway. With the farm, with the gang. We're just waiting for the train. RJ, where are you? Guys, parating na ang train. The train is here now, guys.
Okay, picture na. Picture na din. Oh, dali.
Hello! Guys, parating na ang train. Ayan na. So, ayan na yung train. We are here at the restaurant. Hi guys, walking inside the railway station. So, ang daming paninda. So, ayan. Super init. Guys, cellphone na ang gamit ko kasi naubusan ako ng ubos na yung SD card ko. So we're done eating. We're done eating. So tingin-tingin lang muna. So ang daming paninda pero wala akong nabili kasi kurepot ako today. Ayan. So after 20 minutes so babalik na kami. So ang aming tour ngayon ay nabook lang namin sa Klook. So kung gusto nyo mag-book lang kayo sa Klook mga auntie. Very hot in grabe, super init talaga. Guys, alam nyo to. Hi guys, we are here at Icon Siam. Hi guys! Guys, bibili kami ng roti with banana and chocolate. 120 baht. Ito yung order namin. Tikiman time na. Patikim ate. Super init with chocolate.
等一下，它变得拍照了。
Kaya video sa imo.
Roti with chocolate and banana. Lami.
Dili naman siya init lang.